Here we're going to talk about a work region feature. Now, a work region within a sketch limits what portions of a sketch should be evaluated by the solver. So basically, we're going to only work on a certain portion of the sketch without affecting any of the other parts of the sketch. So let's go ahead and open up this sketch here. And if we take a look, we notice that there are some areas that are not defined yet. And how we can tell is I can go in and I can select on this slot here, and I'm going to move it, and notice that these brown lines can be moved where the black ones are set and they cannot be. So let's go ahead and hit Control Z to place the slot back where it belongs. And next we're going to go up to the Solve group, and under Options we'll find Work Region. Let's go ahead and select on that, and here we're going to define the region, or under Region Definition we're going to select the objects. So let's go ahead and I'm going to select this one up here, and you have to select all the lines within that particular shape. And when you're done, let's go ahead and select OK. And now notice in our sketch the other lines are basically grayed out and cannot be affected by what we change with the lines that we selected. Now we've created a work region. So let's go ahead and zoom in. And here we can begin to add dimensions and change the shape of things of just these two shapes within the sketch. So if I go ahead and select on that slot end, and let's go ahead and make that 30 and press enter. And I'm going to select away so that then it is set. And then also now we see that we're kind of impeding on these sketch lines here, so we can also select this line here and this axis line. And notice here I get an approximate, so we have to make sure that that is a whole number. So I'm going to place in 225 and move it back up, and I'll select over to the side, and notice now that our line is no longer brown, it is black, and it is set within the drawing and fully defined. Now we can do the same thing to this shape as well up here.